like to challenge you to go back to the books, to go back to some days earlier, and find out if it is true that ODM met as a party and sanctioned my impeachment. We will not miss out to find which particular organ of the party met and sanctioned my impeachment. Because the much I know is that I was arrested on Wednesday, and by Sunday, a meeting had been called. I don't want to regard that one as a party meeting, but I want to say that possibly and most likely that was a meeting of mind between one or two people who may be having some scores to settle with me, and so a perfect opportunity when I was at my lowest level to now clear with me once and for all. So if I'm lying, then I challenge whoever is claiming that it is ODM as a party just to show me the minutes, the particular minutes. And I'm also asking them to show me why my case must be treated differently. If it is the game of equity, I would not be complaining. So I'm just pleading for fair play, so that each and everyone can see that this has been the practice, and Obado's is no exception.
Thank you.
But once that is not being practiced, then of course, as a human being, I have a reason to complain and ask those many other questions. That why is it only me